Hello, this is Athanasios Terzis from SoccerTeamTactics.com. In this video we will analyze some of the elements of counterpressing and how the 6-second rule can be applied. This is based on the tactics of Pep Guardiola with FC Barcelona, probably the best team of the recent history. One of the trademarks of this Barcelona team was the fact that as soon as possession was lost, Barcelona players regained possession within 6 seconds. This was the period of time that Guardiola asked his players to put pressure on the opposition in order to prevent them from getting well organized offensively and carry out a counter-attack. If you want more information about how to carry out FC Barcelona style of play, you can get this book, 160 Practices from 34 Tactical Situations, which was chosen by Arrigo Sacchi and awarded by the Italian FA as the best coaching book for 2014. If you want information specifically about how to apply the negative transition phase, which is combined with effective attacking play, you can get this online seminar. There are links for both in the description part of this video. You can visit our website, SoccerTeamTactics.com, and if you like the content of this video, you can subscribe to our channel. If you click on the notification button, you will get notified when a new coaching video is uploaded. In order to carry out effectively the counter-pressing and apply the 6-second rule, you need to have or you need to develop players with the right mentality when losing possession. In this video, we will watch some examples of how the players should react as soon as they lose possession. In this first example, from the national team of Chile, it is Vidal, the player who has the possession of the ball. And as soon as he loses possession, he reacts and wins the ball back. In the same match, it is Alexis Sanchez who has the possession of the ball. He loses possession, but he reacts immediately. And he is the player who wins the ball back for his team. He wins the corner kick for FC Barcelona. Except for the right mentality to react immediately as soon as possession is lost and apply pressure on the ball, another important element for the effective counter-pressing is for the attacking team to build up by retaining short distances between the players and create triangles. Let's watch now several examples of how the triangulation created by Barcelona players enables them to win the ball back immediately as soon as they lose possession. In this occasion, you can see the triangle created by Busquets, Xavi and Messi, and how the three players exploit the triangle and they quickly react in order to win the ball back. Again, the triangle between the three Barcelona players and the quick reaction of them enables Busquets to win the ball back for Barcelona. A similar example over here. The triangle between the three Barcelona players and the quick reaction they have results the regaining of possession. And finally, the triangle during building up, and as they lose possession, another triangle over here which enables them to put immediately pressure on the ball, force the opposition to a mistake and win the ball back. Let's move now to watch what happens if there is no triangulation. For example, you can see that there is a triangle, but the distances between the players are. The aim of counter-pressing and the 6-second rule which goes along with it is to regain possession as soon as possible after losing it. Johan Cruyff, who had a great influence in FC Barcelona style of play, said once that Barcelona players don't have to run more than 10 meters after losing possession because they never pass the ball more than 10 meters. This is translated to an attacking style of play which is based on cohesion. Players retain short distances between each other and triangulation, while at the same time they try to keep the field as big as possible. As you can see on this diagram, the players around the ball area retain short distances of 10 to 12 meters between each other, while at the same time they create many triangles. Let's use the previous setup and take the triangle created by number 6, number 10 and number 9 of Barcelona players in order to find out what are the benefits of the triangle creation during the attacking phase. As long as the two players, number 10 and number 9, stay outside of the shadow of the defending player, number 8, there are two third-line passing options offered to the player in possession. Additionally, there is a 3-against-1 situation, which can be proved very effective as long as the distances between the players stay short from 10 to 12 meters. The triangle created by the three Barcelona players and the short distances between each other enable them to apply immediately pressure to the opponent who wins the ball. In this occasion, the pressure is applied from different directions and there is probably no way for the opponent to escape this pressure. Let's move now to the benefits of the diamond during the attacking phase. Let's use the previous setup and take the diamond created between number 6, number 8, number 10 and number 9 of Barcelona. This specific shape has many benefits during the building up. As you can see on this diagram, many triangles are created between the four Barcelona players. There is a first line pass towards number 8, a second line pass towards number 10 and a third line pass towards number 9. Additionally, there is a 4-against-2 situation which can be proved very effective during the transition phase as long as the distances between the players stay short enough. As soon as possession is lost, Barcelona players can take advantage of the 4-against-2 situation by applying pressure from different directions to the opponent who wins the ball. By this way, the quick regaining of possession can be achieved. Drill number 1 is designed in order to develop players with the right mentality and exploit the advantages of the triangles during attacking and transitioning. There is a 3-against-1 situation in the white area, which is adjusted according to the age and the qualities of the players. The reds try to keep possession, while the blue player tries to win the ball and move it outside to one of his teammates. If the reds lose possession, they try to apply counterpressing and prevent the blue player from moving it outside to one of his teammates. If they win possession, they continue the same 3-against-1 situation. If the blues manage to move the ball outside, then there is a 5-against-3 situation. If the reds win possession in this 5-against-3 situation, they try to score to one of the 4 mini goals, while the blues try to use counter-pressing in order to prevent them from scoring. This is the animated drill number 1. The three reds in the middle try to retain possession by using first-time passes against the lonely blue player. If the last one wins possession, the reds try to apply counter-pressing in order to prevent him from moving the ball outside. If the blue player manages to move the ball to one of the outside teammates, a new 5-against-3 situation is created and the reds now try to win possession and score to one of the 4 mini goals, while the blues now try to use counter-pressing and prevent them from scoring. When a blue player in the middle wins the ball, he has to use at least 3 touches and then move the ball outside in order to play 5-against-3. As soon as the reds win the ball, they try to apply counter-pressing and win the ball in order to retain the 5-against-3 situation. In drill number 2, there is a 4 against 2 situation inside the white area. This is done in order for the players to exploit the advantages of the diamond during attacking and transitioning. The setup is the same with the previous drill, and the only difference is that when the blues manage to win possession and move it to one of their teammates outside, the situation becomes from 4 against 2 to 6 against 4. This is the animated drill number 2. The 4 reds try to retain possession against the 2 blues, and as soon as they lose the ball, they try to use counterpressing in order to prevent them from moving the ball outside. The blues again have to use at least 3 touches and then move the ball outside. If the blues manage to move the ball outside, there is a 6 against 4 situation, and now the reds defend in order to win the ball and score to one of the 4 mini goals. As soon as possession is lost for the blues, they try to use counter-pressing. If you like the content of this short presentation, hit the like button. If you click on the window on your left, you will watch all our coaching videos in a playlist. If you want us to create more videos like this one, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you click on the notification button, you will get notified when a new coaching video is uploaded. Thank you for watching.